Medina, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick. A weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull and Wayne. Wind advisory remains in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Winds, west winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 50 miles per hour. Higher wind gusts over 60 miles per hour will occur in thunderstorms, in which case severe thunderstorm warnings will be issued. Tornado warnings are also possible for storms with rotation. Timing: the stronger winds will arrive with and behind the cold front. The front will reach northeast Ohio between 8 and 10 p.m. and northwest Pennsylvania around 10 p.m. or shortly after. Impacts: lightweight objects should be secured or they may be blown away. A few branches and power lines may be blown down. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds are forecast to be 31 to 39 miles per hour or gusts will range between 46 and 57 miles per hour. Winds of these magnitudes may cause minor property damage without extra precautions. Motorists in high-profile vehicles should use caution until the winds subside. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further details or updates.